Welcome students. This video is narration part 2 and today we will try to understand the rules for changing direct speech to indirect speech. The rule 1 says if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of verb in the reported speech is not changed. Now let us understand this above statement by these two examples. The first example says, he says, comma, double inverted commas, I know them, full stop, double inverted commas, close. This statement is in direct speech. The indirect will be, he says that he knows them. It is the indirect speech, and here you can see that it is the tense of the verb is not changed. They will say, comma, double inverted commas, they are honest. This is direct speech. The indirect for the same will be, they will say that they are honest. So I hope that the first rule is now clear to you all by observing these two examples. The present simple or present indefinite becomes past simple or past indefinite. I play golf every morning, he said. And the indirect will be, he said that he played golf every morning. So here you can see that the verb is in the direct speech is in present simple, and it is converted when to indirect, it becomes past simple. The past participle form of the verb ed with ed, which is for play we have used played. The present continuous becomes past continuous. I am playing golf, he said. The indirect will be, he said that he was playing golf. Present perfect and simple past becomes past perfect. Now let us observe the examples. I have played golf for 3 years, he said. This is in direct speech. The indirect will be, he said that he had played golf for 3 years. So, you can see that the above example is in simple past, in direct speech, and when we convert it into indirect, the verb becomes to past perfect. I went to fruit market yesterday, he said. Direct speech. He said that he had gone to fruit market the previous day. Went becomes had gone, and yesterday becomes previous day. So you should remember these small points in your mind regarding narration. Now, moving ahead, present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Example, I have been playing tennis for 1 year, she said. Have been playing is present perfect continuous. So when we will convert this into indirect speech, it will become, she said that she had been playing tennis for 1 year. So here you can see in this example, it is made clear that the present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Have been playing changes to had been playing. The future tense becomes conditional. I shall play tennis next year, she said. This is in direct speech. And for the indirect, we will change it. She said she would play tennis the following year. So here you can see that next year is changed to the following year, and shall play becomes conditional. Shall play is future and it becomes conditional when you change it to indirect speech, and it becomes would play. Now, dear students, pronouns and possessive adjectives of the first and second persons in the direct speech are changed into third person in the indirect speech. Now let us observe. I, you in singular form become he, she. My, your singular form become his, her. We, you in plural form become they. Our, your plural form become their. Now we will try to understand this chart by these two examples. Brian said, I have been exhausted. It is in direct speech. Now when we will convert this into indirect speech, it will become Brian said that I will become he had been exhausted. So here you can see that the I is changed to he. The teacher said to the girls, you should do your work daily. This is direct speech. When we will convert this into indirect, it will become the teacher told. Teacher said will become teacher told the girls that they should do their work daily. So here you can see that you becomes they. Now moving ahead, dear students, in the reported speech, the words expressing nearness of time or place are changed into words showing distance. Now becomes then, this becomes that, here becomes there, these becomes those, thus becomes so. Ago becomes before, come becomes go, today becomes that day, yesterday becomes the previous day, tomorrow becomes the next day. Now we will see some examples. The principal said, I am very busy now. So this is a direct speech. When we will convert this into indirect speech, it will be the principal said that she was, I am becomes she was very busy then. Now becomes then. Second example says, she said it may rain tomorrow. It is direct speech. When converted to indirect, she said that it might rain the next day. May becomes might and tomorrow becomes the next day. So this was all for today's video, and I hope that the points which we have discussed you all will keep in your mind and you will practice accordingly and prepare yourself for your board exams. Till the next video, remain safe, be healthy, blessings and peace.